family Pastor Kelvin Bafo, the head pastor at Freedom Center International, Luton. Last year, I think May, and on social media, Facebook specifically, and me other citizens. So Kasafa branch we say, obi bit me donate, reach a man with me mobile, I go up and down. It's me who the contactee, the blogger, and I say yes, it's true. To know we organize my church members and say you be receive funds na yato reach on a yaship na yabe donate na me ama ho kwan na emra bem na metimi bagana se me ba be donate reach na me dem abrantie no so the be ya on so life be easy na enema akoso no it me ba ya just a simple donation and I'm
Yeah, brother Francis, sorry. I'm on Saka, at the Fefe and I care a bit me about a crime brain. So, Pesa, Bisa say, Kaya on Saka, the Bassam can bit me a catcher, Pastor Kevin.
But your Kaka meeting, I can say, Nakupun Shiran, Papa. You say, Ubu Habra, Obegin at Papa, when you name your aunt, and I met a can or did a bread to me, Maniaji, the matter and saying, Nakupun Shiran, sending a penny for winter account. Nakupun Shiran, Papa. Nina, I'm aware that the young can be a Nakupun, the Lions, and it's Maniaji, the prime of first of information ye. I'm a next time again, mess out the bully, I can't say, nation ye. Now, Wabuami, I'm a man that can't tell me. You are a trap of one go baby, and I'm that way. Ama wins nam Sarakan, Mobaya, and my bit to have also a send a member of Napa ancestry to make us in a